I want to show you this new tool in Adobe Illustrator called Intertwine. It allows you to take two different graphics and basically intertwine them together. So I have an X here that's already a vector. I've created outlines already, and I have my snake shape. I'm just going to drag them over each other, and I'm going to select them both, go to Object, and go to Intertwine, and go Make. Now what I'm going to do is circle over the area. Make sure you get the complete area that you want it to intertwine. You can see how that brought that right to the front. Okay. Now I think, this part of the snake to overlap in the front. So I'm just going to go and select all of the area. And bam, that comes to the front. And then I'm going to have it go to the back. And then let's say just this one part of the tail comes to the front. And bam, look at that. Isn't that cool? So that is how you can use Intertwine in Adobe Illustrator.